Yes! Yes, bro. Yeah, quite amazing. I mean, more than Lords or anything of that sort, I mean, we're not really bothered about where we play, to be very honest. We don't rank some games in some stadiums, you know, in higher pecking order than the others. But having said that, we won in 2014. 2018 was a bad loss for us here. Even then, we had the belief that we can, you know, upset England at home. But we couldn't manage to do that, especially at Lords, and that really hurt us, to be honest, as a team. But even in the first test, I thought that we were right on top. 150 to get on the last day, and we were so disappointed that rain interrupted. And then the belief that the boys showed even this game, carrying on from there. KL and Rohit, outstanding partnership on day one. You know, the opposition put us in. I thought we were going to get blown away, and just the character we showed. And to get a result within 60 overs on day 5 when the pitch was not offering anything to the bowlers. All I can say is I'm really proud of the team. We've had some amazing overseas wins, but this one is right up there just because of the belief and character we showed, and that's been the hallmark of our team. Oh well, unbelievable. I mean, to be very honest, we all knew that we're counting on Rishabh to carry through with the tail and get us extra runs. We were thinking, okay, 200 will be great, 175, 180, you know, we'll take that as well to have a crack at them. But 270 was something that we could not have imagined, and it just shows that, you know, in this game, when you walk onto the field, you have a chance as an individual, and if you have the belief to take that chance, special things can happen. And I think Jasprit and Shami were outstanding, and what they did shifted the momentum towards us. The opposition was completely out of the game. We knew that they're going to play for survival, and if we get the right breakthroughs, then it's going to be so tough for them, which ended up being the case in the end.
It's a test match to remember. Look, cannot get better as a test match. This is what we live for. This is what we've grown up watching on TV, and this is what we've always wanted to do. Come here to England and win test matches is super special, and you know, the credit goes to each and everybody on the team and everyone who's put in the work. I remember very clearly sitting in the viewing area in 2018. We lost the test match in 3 days, and it was so embarrassing for all of us to lose that game, and the way we lost it was very embarrassing. So, you know, to come back here in 3 years' time and put up a performance like this will go down as one of the best games I've played.
It's a great feeling. Winning any test match in England is a special feeling for all the players, and this is a great beginning to the series. We had our chances even in the first test match, but we won this one, so all of us are really proud about the way we played this game. And it was a team effort because everyone contributed in this game, and that's why we won this test match. So it's a great start to the series, but there's a lot to play for. So we are looking ahead in the series, but at this stage, we are really proud of the way we played in first 2 test matches. We spoke about partnership, we spoke about what were their game plans, what we could have done to counter those game plans. And the most important thing was, to stay at the crease, try and see through the good spells. And we knew that once the ball was soft, it was slightly easier to bat, and then we were getting our runs once we were set. So yeah, at that stage we were just talking about being at the crease and seeing the spells through.
This win really means a lot to us. At the same time, we all know that this is just a 1 test match, 3 more test matches to go. So we are not complacent at all, but we want to enjoy this victory, and we should enjoy this victory. Outside of India, we know how hard it is for any team to come and play away test match and winning the test match. It is really special, and we personally, I'm really happy.
No, again, it's probably one of the best test matches that we have played. Everyone showed character, because to win test matches like that, you need character, and that's exactly what everyone did. Not just one or two guys, but all 11 came together at different stages, put their hand up, and took the responsibility. And that's a great sign for the team.
बस दिमाग में एक ही चीज़ रखना था उस टाइम जब हम बैटिंग कर रहे थे कि एक एक रन इम्पोर्टेंट है टीम के लिए, क्योंकि उतना ही खुलकर हम बाद में डाल सकते हैं। और जहाँ तक जीत का सवाल है, बड़ी जीत है। और हमेशा जब सीरीज़ का पहला मैच बहुत क्लोज था बारिश के कारण जो हमारा ड्रॉ हुआ, लेकिन ये अपॉर्चुनिटी हम लोग जाने नहीं देना चाहते थे, इसीलिए हम लोगों के, लेकिन बहुत एक डिफरेंट था कि विकेट में उतना पेस नहीं था, लो था, लेकिन बहुत अच्छा बॉल डाला ईशांत, बुमराह और सिराज ने। और मैं भी साथ में कोशिश यही कर रहा था कि जितना स्टम्प्स को अटैक किया जाए, जितना मतलब उनको बॉल खिलाया जाए, क्योंकि हमारे पास बहुत लिमिटेड ओवर्स थे। बहुत अच्छा जॉब डन किया है। और स्पेशली सबसे बड़ी खुशी इसी चीज़ की है कि सीरीज़ में हम 1-0 से आ गए। तो मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आने वाले जो प्लेयर्स हैं, जो मैचेस हैं, जो हमारे जो अगले 3 मैच बाकी बचे हैं, इस कॉन्फिडेंस को उन मैचेस में कैरी किया जाए और टीम के लिए बेटर।
लॉर्ड्स में फर्स्ट टाइम खेला, बहुत ही मज़ा आया। यहाँ का मेमोरी बचपन में देखते थे लॉर्ड्स में खेलना, बट यहाँ पर खेल के परफॉर्मेंस खेलना और कंट्री को मैच जिताना, इस मेरे लिए सबसे बड़ा अचीवमेंट है ये। और ये इजहार नहीं कर सकता मैं ये खुशी एंड एंजॉय।